Saan ang dulo-dulo niya, kuya?
Ito, sir.
Ayan, yung kulay
Blue po.
yung kulay blue.
Pagitnaan po yan.
Itong pinakamuhon niya, itong blue. Yan. Tapos ang dulo niya doon din, yung kulay blue din doon. Saan ang harapan niya? Pag dito ang harap, sa may sasakyan niya.
Pwede dito, sir. Pwede dito kasi corner lot na to eh.
Corner ba to? Corner siya. Pero para mas maluwag yun dito. So hanggang dito siya. Yung details ng property, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Paki-check na lang po. And this is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment and then 90% balance bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. This is already below market value, around 43,000 per square meter. And negotiable pa yan, subject for approval. Because ang mga presyo ng property dito, especially if it's Ayala Premier, is nasa 60,000 per square meter na. And this one is nasa around 40,000 per square meter. So, still sale po siya. So again, if you are interested, please message us directly. So kung mapapansin ninyo, underground ang utilities dito, water and electric, and then malalapad yung kalsada, not only the main road pati yung secondary road, and aspalto po siya. Ganyan po pag high-end ang subdivision. Yung iba kiniklaim na high-end pero hindi naman underground, hindi aspalto yung kalsada nila. So for me, I can consider a subdivision a high-end pag ganyan po siya. And marami na rin nakatira dito sa may Rio Monte. And mataas ang elevation dito. Nasa 200 meters tayo above sea level. So never po nababahain dito. So again, if you are interested and if you're looking for affordable Ayala Premier properties here in Nuvali, please message us directly. This is below market value at around 40,000 per square meter. And ang current market value for high-end or Ayala Premier projects dito na mga pre-selling is nasa 60,000 per square meter na. So if you are cash buyer or have ready funds, might as well consider foreclosed properties at malaki po ang masisave natin. So message us directly if you are interested. That's Miriam College. Oh.
Obvious naman yan. If any portion of your body is in the vehicle, naturally, extraordinary diligence will be exercised. Now, La Mallorca is an old case involving a family. So, a father was with
meters.
If any portion of your body is in the vehicle, naturally, extraordinary diligence will be exercised. Now, La Mallorca is an old case involving a family. So, a father was with.
In 300 meters.
But as to the question up to when extraordinary diligence must be exercised, the leading case is La Mallorca versus Court of Appeals.
In 300 meters. Turn right.
Let's test. If you are already, so the question is from what time up to what time mag-exercise ng extraordinary diligence. The key word here is control.